You need to bring your consciousness to the back foot. Hello everyone. So today we are taking Trikonasana, in English, triangle pose, also known as Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle. So let's start. You are joining your both feet together. Now roll the shoulders, open up the chest. Make sure your spine is elongating. And lift the kneecap. The thighs are lifting. Lift it more higher, get that external rotation. Now, bring the palms in front of your chest. Now bend down. Inhale, exhale, separate the legs apart. 4 to 4.5. That would be good enough. Now, tuck your toes slightly in. Now, extend your both arms up towards the ceiling. Now, try to extend from the sides towards the ceiling. Get that good extension. But do not forget, do not lose the ground. You are pressing the foot firmly onto the mat. Do not lose that grip. And the most important part here is, you need to push the outer foot. That's very important. And then hold the waist. I repeat, kneecaps lifted, thighs are getting that external rotation. And then take out the right foot out 90 degree. And now make sure the front heel is in a line with the middle arch of the back foot. This is something like this. Okay? So, not back, not forward. Okay? In a line with the middle arch. And one more important part, you are not clenching the toes like this. No, have that separation in the toes. Separate them well. So, separate the toes well. Have that good opening. As same for the back foot. The most important part here is, you need to tuck the toes slightly in. Not too much. Why? So that you can use the outer foot properly when you're going into Trikonasana. So that's the base. If the base is not strong, forget about going into the final position. So firm leg, trunk extended, foot, very important. Do not clench. Do not clench. Separate them. And then arms are to the sides. Lift. Get that good lift in the trunk. And then with an exhalation, go down to Trikonasana. Hold the ankle. Back foot firm. Back foot firm. Very important. Open up the chest. Lift the sternum higher. So what happen is, you go down. No, avoid doing that. Open up the chest. Lift. Get that elongation here. The spine is getting a good elongation. The sides are getting a good elongation. Back foot firm. Press the outer foot. Press the outer foot. Very important. And then from there, inhalation, come up. Hold the waist. Take a pause. Just take a small pause. And again, you are tucking this toe in. Now from there, you are going to take out the left foot out. Left toe out, heel comes in. I repeat, the front heel aligned to the middle arch of the back foot. When you go into Trikonasana, make sure you're doing it. Again, extend the arms. I repeat again. Look, what happens? The consciousness is always on this side. You forget totally the back leg. So lift this knee, lift the thigh, lift the knee, lift the thigh. Push that outer foot. So you need to bring your consciousness to the back foot. What happened? When you're going to one side, your mind is only thinking to this side. No, you should be stable on the both side. Balance on the both side. Lift the kneecap, both kneecaps lifted, external rotation, and exhalation Trikonasana. Do not clench the toe. What I'm saying is, clenching is something like this. No, separate, create more space. Good. Just proper Trikonasana. Extend. What happens, one of the most important thing here, you take the whole body weight onto the leg. No, you are just holding it. You are not pushing it down. Lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Back foot firm. And then inhalation, come up. Hold the waist. Now take that toe in. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, come back. Bend the knee and jump. Good. Now I want to show you one thing in Trikonasana, the most important part. So she'll be turning to this side. Jump and separate the legs apart. Quickly go into Trikonasana. Just do a wrong one. You see this. What you can see here, very clear, her body is leaning to the front side. So what happened, she's collapsing her chest. Look at her buttocks. The hip is pushing out. No, you don't have to do that. You need to take, this is called your femur bone. The femur bone, the top of the femur, the rotator of the femur should go inside the socket of the pelvis. So take this in, take this in, take this in, take this in, and then make sure the shoulder, the side of the trunk is aligned to the leg. This and this in a line. So you need to be very careful with this. Most of the people Trikonasana, they do like this. One more time, come up. Just watch one more time. Same side. Exhale, go down. Do it wrong. You see, hip is popping out. Chest is going there. No, stop it right away. Take this hip in. The femur bone in. Femur bone in. Femur bone in. And open up the chest. Sides of the trunk aligning to the thigh, to the knee, to the shin bone. And then slowly, inhalation, come up. Extended both arms up. Take the toe in. Jump and come back. So this was Trikonasana or Utthita Trikonasana. Make sure when you practice next time, follow these steps. And trust me, you will find a big change in your practice. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. I hope you liked it.